curve or a NURBS curve. What interpolated curve does is it goes through every point, creating the outline of what the points create here. Now let's hide all of the points. And one of the things you may think is, why don't we use the points since they are equally spaced as the treads? Well, because we actually need to control the length of them. So now in a bit, I'm going to show you also how we can take this number here of 360, and we can also multiply this number by a lower number and a higher number to be able to create a spiral that wraps around itself. All right, so let's create the base offset for this to show you where the stairs are going to go. So let's offset this curve. And if we go to top view, we can see where it's offsetting. So it's offsetting to the outside here, which is what we want. And this is going to give us the width for the stairs.